Hello everyone, this is a very short unboxing of a solar regulator I bought at Shell & Company, Swedish electronic retailer. So it's 10 amps, you can put in 12 or 24 volts in it. It has an LCD display, it's using PWM technology. That's not as good as the MPPT technology, so the conversion from the solar panel to the battery will be off with, I think I read 10 to 30%, but this regulator was pretty cheap. Bought it for I think it was 300 Swedish kroner, about 30 American dollars. So I bought this just to experiment with my solar panel, and it says in Swedish, safe and controlled charging. Yeah, I hope it will be safe. If it burns up, it's not good. And it will be adjustable for different types of batteries, and it has two USB output connections. So let's see if we can get this box open. Here we have safety instructions, product properties, how to interpret the display in Swedish, and if you're from Finland you can also read this. And nothing more in the box. And here is the solar regulator. It's a combination of metal and plastics. The button seems to be quite okay. How is the finish of the USB? Yeah, this here doesn't have a good feeling of it. Well, it works. So connect batteries here, panels, and the load, I guess. So I will need to read instructions and start to experiment with it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.